Oh, and then you can, I don't know if you, let me see if you guys can you see the oil? Y'all can see the oils. That's the oils. Palm leaves. Do you understand? This one, wear it everywhere. Everywhere when it's summertime. I don't care where you're at. You're at the pool, you're at the library, you're at church, you're at work, you're walking your dog, you're changing your baby's diapers. Just wear it. It's great.
There, and that is Palace. Beautiful. I really like that. Listen, but then like. Hi
guys, I am back. I'm finally back. Like, this is officially I'm back video. So anyone new to my channel, welcome back to watching Nelly Doing Things, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to leave a comment below, and don't forget to hit that notification button because I'm finally back. I have a new camera. I still got a little setup things. We're gonna progress. I'm sorry guys if I keep looking at myself because I have a monitor now so I can see myself, that I'm in focus and I'm clear. Okay, so we're like 123 subscribers. I'm so excited. I am here today, guys, to bring you a video about summer scents. I can't wait. I got back into perfume again. Of course, you guys know I'm always an addict for it. Yes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna get right into the video. These are my scents. I'm gonna show you guys what I like for summer, and I will leave a list below of all the perfumes that I am listing today. Oh, also guys, before I jump to the video, there's some family members added to the family. So my first one, I'm actually gonna start sweet scents. So I'm gonna start with the sweet ones first. So I'm gonna start from smallest to biggest. This buddy right here. So this is Mariah Carey's Lollipop Splash the Remix. This one is called Vision of Love. I got a vision of love. This is just a little roller ball that I have gotten a while ago. It's a lollipop, so this is really cute to just pop in your bag. Ooh, I love this one so much. Oh my god. I have Jennifer Lopez. This is her JLUST one. I love this one. Oh, I love this one so much. It smells so good. Like, and the backer kind of cheap because, you know, you twist around and see it's like a little piece of sticker. But I love this scent so much. Let's talk. Oh, it's really like juicy. I thought it had honeysuckle on it, but I got my phone, guys, so I'm gonna go in there and look. You guys already know where I'm going to. Again, I have an account with them. It is frantica.com. So JLUST, it says it's a fruity, sweet, floral, musky balsamic. I still don't know how to pronounce that. Mandarin, juicy mandarin, apple blossom, and a strawberry. I smell blossom. Strawberries in there. I can taste it a little bit. It's a little bit. Part is sambac, jasmine, and then white peach and vanilla orchid. Now vanilla and the peach, I can smell that now since I sprayed a minute ago. I can smell that mixed. Oh, a little bit of tonka bean, a cloud of feather musk. That's extra. Okay. So it's musky, fruity, has some apple blossom, has a juicy mandarin. So this one is really good when you're just a summer's dress, something cute, you're going to Target, you know, something really cute. The next, what I actually have, bought it years ago, but it still gets me. Mariah Carey's Dreams. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. But let me go into the notes real quick. So it says sweet caramel, vanilla, fruity, and floral is this scent. And then it says this one is caramelized apple, star anise, combined with a freshness of bergamot, roasted almond scent, sensual honeysuckle. So honeysuckle's in this one? This one? I thought it was the JLUST one. But it's mixed with delicate freesia and lily of the valley and warm musk, patchouli, tonka bean, vanilla from Madagascar. This buddy right here, people in the Fragrantica said it's caramel, vanilla, and tonka bean. Pretty much everything that I wanted. This is, oh, so you can wear this for a date that night. You can wear this when you get up. You can wear this when you're out. You can, this is, I wear this at my job. And I don't know if you guys know, but I work at the airport. So, you know, and I work at a store that actually does have fragrance. Through all of that, I actually still smell this on me. Oh, it just smells so right. I love, oh, she's so nice. Next, I have Pink Chihuahua. So this one, as you can tell, it turned. Yeah, it's just sugar. This smells like sugar cane, like crystallized sugar. So some people may say, oh, that's good. I like it sweet, but like when you first spray it, it's like spicy sweet. I don't like spicy sweet. I can take spicy musk, but not spicy sweet. But I got this a while ago because people were saying it smells like pure sugar. It does. This is like a cavity in a bottle. This is really like that sugarcane syrupy sweet. So next we have my girl again. We have Jennifer Lopez. Jennifer Lopez. This one right here, Love and Glamour. This one is a really, really good one. The big bottles are gorgeous. It looks like an Oscar. Like, they're very pretty. The top of them are usually like crystallized, and they're not crystallized, but they're roped in like yellow gold and all that. It's very pretty. This one actually has the blush top. I don't know if you guys see it. See, it's like a blush top, and then that one's all clear, and it's like kind of yellow stained. It's very cute. This buddy right here, I don't even have to look up the notes because I've seen these notes of a lot of these perfumes I have because I wanted them and I wanted to know why I like them so much. This one smells like water and guava, pretty much. Like, it's very tropical, but with aquatic. Like, if you're in the rainforest and it's raining and you're by a whole bunch of fruit. Next, guys, we have Marc Jacobs Daisy Dream Forever. This buddy, oh, I wear this. I mix this with things I live. I love, love, love this perfume. It just smells so good. It's floral, duh, of course. But this buddy has like, when you first spray it, I've never had this. I've never had that in a perfume besides when I got more luxurious perfumes. Like this, when you first spray it, smells like Starburst. Like juicy, fruity Starburst. Like the tropical Starburst. Oh, I love it. I love it. This one trips me out, guys. On to the next one. I got Big Kitty Cat. This is Katy Perry's Meow perfume. Now, I know for a fact this one has honeysuckle on it because I looked that thing up. I know it got honeysuckle on it. This buddy, this is pretty much that pink sugar one that's like that sugar so sweet that you got a cavity. This one's like a honeysuckle's juicy candy, but it's so sweet. Every time I wear this, I have people like, oh, you smell great. Like if I walk by someone walking their dog in my apartment, anything like that, they're like, oh, you smell great. I don't know, but they're like, oh, you smell great. And this is the honeysuckle. Like this one's pure honeysuckle to me, and it's a little bit of juicy. It just smells so playful. I love this one. Betsey Johnson perfume. I love this one. It's, as you can see, over the top like her. I actually got to meet her too. Okay, she's one of my favorite designers too. But yeah, this one, again, if anyone has read any of my comments on Fragrantica about this perfume, or my last video, or my couple other videos, my old fragrance videos I made before, these are pretty much like this scent. This is like the crazy cool aunt that has like 10,000 jewelry sets, and she lets you try on makeup and try on heels and stuff, and showed you what's the difference between Louis Vuitton and a knockoff Louis Vuitton. She's the one that, this is what she smells like. She's dope. Like, she's amazing. Like, and then the top, just Betsey, just over the top. So this one I would wear in the summertime. I would wear it when I'm like going out to dinner, or if I'm going out to some kind of, again, festival, carnival, something like that, because she just smells just over the top. It smells like her. So it's, I love this one. This one is a good one. All right, and the last one out of my kind of sweet or more softer summer scents, out of my sweet and kind of softer summer scents, Calvin Klein's Eternity Summer. And this is the, I believe, the 2017 edition. So this buddy is gorgeous. Now this one is pastel. If anyone knows about my channel, you see my banner. If you guys know, my favorite color ever is lilac, lavender, pastel, purple. Anything actually pastel, I love. So this bottle alone, I was like, I want it. And then I sprayed it. Cole's got me messed up because Cole's got me hooked on it. He was like, here, you want to try it? And I was like, hate it. I tried it, and I was like smelling myself all the rest of that night. And look how this thing sprays. Just look. Yes, This literally smells like you're at a beach with that long grass, with that real long grass, and it like comes up like that, and then you're walking, got your cute little summer dress on, your little beach dress, and then you're like walking out, and there's a golden Labrador retriever that walks by you, or it's like you're playing ball with him, and then your imaginary husband shows up, and it's great. This smells like palm leaves. Like palm leaves. I can't get over that. Palm leaves? Like the note says palm leaves. They were not kidding. Now when it's more of a springy to fall scent. This is gonna be it's gonna smell more of the floral side of it's gonna come out. This, when it's hot, like now, like my room, when I just sprayed that, it smells like palm leaves in here. I'm on a vacay. I'm on a vacation in the Turks and Caicos. So that's what I'm telling you. Those are my summer scents, but the sweets edition.